Hi guys. Um, Today I have a topic to talk about. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि आपका appearance आपके बारे में क्या बताता है. And it is very interesting study. I was reading these two books after coming from my recording. I came around 12 o'clock and then I was reading these books and I couldn't stop myself from making this video because this is really interesting study और आप लोगों को ये सुन के ना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. In fact, the points that I'm telling you, just go in front of the mirror and look at yourself and realize that which one of these category do you belong. Because researchers ने बहुत सारी study करने के बाद ये खोजा है कि आपके facial expressions, the way your face is structured, it can tell a lot about your personality. In fact, ये भी कहा जाता है कि आपके face के structure को देख के ये भी decide कर सकते हैं कि आप life में कितना successful होंगे या कितना आगे जाएंगे या नहीं जाएंगे. So it tells a lot about you. So pay attention and you are going to love it. You are absolutely going to love it. So I think when the camera is far off, I feel distant. So these are the two books that I was reading. The one is the definitive book of the body language. I've read it like for 5 times already. That's how I became a human behavior analyst. Books, the best thing. Second one is what everybody is saying. Again, a very interesting study about human behaviors and their body language and the face. So on the basis of these two books, I have made some notes and I have summarized this topic for you, which is, again, I will repeat, it is about what your appearance tells about you. So guys, the very first thing that your face tells about you is your facial structure. It is said, researchers ने ये find किया है कि अगर आपका face broader है, आपके successful होने के chances ज़्यादा हैं. Like the visually wider your face is, the higher the chances of your success. And although it depends on individual to individual, हर किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं है कि body language is never 100% proof. But then just think of some people whom you know, they are rich and successful in life. अगर आप ऐसे लोगों के बारे में सोचेंगे जो बहुत successful हैं और rich हैं, you'll find that they have a wider face structure. उनका face काफी wide और बड़ा है. Which leads to the second point, again a very interesting study. Second point to know about a person is the cheekbones, which is broad cheekbones. जिन आदमियों के, जिन men के facial structure wide होते हैं, उनके अंदर testosterone ज़्यादा होता है, which is a hormone for aggression. Like these people are usually aggressive. They want to have power and also they are rebellious by nature. And high testosterone naturally means, you know, high sex drive as well. So आप easily बता सकते हैं कि अगर किसी बंदे का face broad है या cheek यहाँ से jawline बहुत sharp है, especially jawline का sharp होना, be it an almond shape या कोई भी shape हो, but if it is sharp face, that means that the person is having high testosterone levels in their body. लड़कियों में टेंडेंसी बहुत ही naturally instinctive होती है that they can read this about any guy. They can, as we talk about the vibe comes from the face structure and the shape of the cheekbones usually. And आपको पता है हॉलीवुड इस चीज़ का बहुत फ़ायदा उठाता है. आप जितने भी एक्टर्स को देखेंगे, like be it Johnny Depp, be it Gerard Butler, be it Brad Pitt, इन लोगों के face बहुत wide है and they have high testosterone in their body. That's why they do a lot of rebellious role. They do a lot of womanizer. They act womanizer, and they choose to play somebody who is a villain in this story. These are not very positive or like, you know, simple looking guys. They are very sharp that way. So Hollywood इस चीज़ का बहुत ध्यान रखता है हमेशा. For that matter, look at Superman. The guy, he looks really, really powerful and strong just because of the face structure that he has, and I think he's very handsome. I love him. Third thing is wrinkles. Yes, I know you know about this. We all know about how wrinkles tells about things, but फिर भी specifically अगर बात की जाए तो crow's feet, like when you smile, there is a part which I'll zoom it and show you. So when you smile, these are the crow's feet. You see, सबको नहीं होता है, कुछ लोगों को होता है. So when you have crow's feet here, that means crow's feet or smile line also you call them. That means that you are a true optimist and pretty emotional, but you love to laugh. This is one decoding of a personality. If you see somebody when they laugh and they have like this very cute looking lines around their eyes corner, that means they are very emotional and they love to laugh, but they are also they're also very optimistic, and they are ambitious in life. Wrinkles के पीछे की स्टोरी ये होती है कि जैसे हम इमोशंस फील करते हैं वैसे वैसे हमारे फेस शेप लेता रहता है. लाइक इफ समबडी इज वेरी टेंस्ड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इसलिए कहा जाता है कि जिन लोगों की लाइफ का अर्लियर पार्ट जो है वो स्ट्रगल भरा होता है, तो वहाँ पे उनके फोरहेड पे देयर आर लाइक लाइंस ऑन द फोरहेड दैट टेल्स दैट यू हैड अ हार्ड लाइफ, यू हैड अ हार्ड टाइम इन योर इनिशियल डेज. और जब आपका बुरा वक्त चला भी जाता है ना, when you're in a happy zone also, the wrinkle stays, the frown stays on your face. That's why they say that you have to be very very careful of how you think and what you think, and because it shows up on your face. आप जो भी सोचते हैं आपके चेहरे पे डायरेक्ट असर करता है वो चीज़. So you have to be very careful about your thought process and mood swings, especially for you women. You age really faster if you are negative. Okay. Also, if you have creases on your forehead, that means you're a very serious person. That reminds me of my dad. My dad has very prominent frowns on the forehead, and I think he's the most serious person I know on earth. He's very very serious and strict. So yeah. The fourth point is very interesting. It's called the good side. Good side से मतलब ये है कि हम में से हर किसी का ना फोटो खींचने का एक गुड साइड होता है. लाइक फॉर मी लेफ्ट वर्क्स बेटर, माई लेफ्ट साइड इज बेटर. सो whenever I will click selfie, I will click it like that, from showing my left side towards the camera. Studies में ये पता चलता है कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साउथ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ये पता चलता है कि engineers, mathematicians and chemists, they pose by the right side of their face. Like they pose the right side they show the right side towards the camera. The reason behind it is because their left hemisphere of the brain is more active. So these people are driven on the basis of research and science, and these are like scientist kind of people. So they're not so that's what about it. And psychologists जो होते हैं या critics जो होते हैं, they tend to pose from the left side, and they are more inclined towards humanity, understanding human behavior, and all of that. So this is the difference, and also it is differentiated gender wise also. लड़के जो होते हैं they tend to pose, आप notice करिएगा, लड़के जो हैं they tend to pose from their right side, and women they pose, as I said, I pose from my left. This is left. Yeah, I pose from my left. So लड़कियां जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड से पोज करती हैं, एंड द रीजन दैट दे पोज फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड इज बिकॉज व्हेन दे आर पोजिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड इज कनेक्टेड टू द राइट हेमिस्फीयर ऑफ द ब्रेन, व्हिच इज डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड to your emotions, and girls are emotional. They are emotionally driven, gender. So that's why they pose. They find it more attractive. The left side for them is more attractive because right hemisphere of their brain is working. Okay, so fifth part is selfies. Now I have made a whole blog about that. How your profile picture of Facebook and Insta, pictures that you put on Hinge and Tinder tells about your personality and you. Similarly, your selfies tells that what kind of person you are. There are some kind of people who love to take bottom up picture, like camera from below to up, like that. So these are the people who are open to new adventures. They love to experience new things in life and all of that, and they usually show their emotions very openly. They don't really care how they look. They are ready to look stupid. They are ready to look, they can laugh out loud. They can show their ugly teeth like I do. So they're absolutely okay people. They don't care what you think or what people think about them. So they are just out there because they are open, and they are open for new experiences. Although one thing about selfies is it's very hard for today's generation. It's very very hard to figure out a personality type on the basis of their pictures. Bade researchers and psychologists have failed in this because I'm getting distracted by the messages. I fail because आज की डेट में जो हम फोटोज डालते हैं, everybody wants to look their best in pictures. So we tend to smile fake. We put a lot of filters. We do edit them. We put makeup plus, beauty plus, whatnot. So it's very hard to figure out. In fact, people say that, before the date, when we see a picture of a woman, she looks really pretty, but when she comes in front, the whole game is changed, the story is changed. I've like heard this so many times. So that's how complicated the pictures are. So it's very difficult to study a picture. Sixth point is very interesting. That's the nose thing. आपकी नाक आपकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताती है. तो अगर आपकी ओके, सो नोज को लेके स्टडी किया गया कि नोज को लेके उन्होंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टडी की. दैट इज दे टुक 1700 पिक्चर्स और उसमें से उन्होंने 1700 पिक्चर्स में से 14 टाइप्स ऑफ नोज स्ट्रक्चर्स को लेके कुछ पर्सनालिटी टाइप की कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया. सो देर आर 14 काइंड्स ऑफ नोज वेराइटी जिनके बेसिस पे लोगों की पर्सनालिटी को डिकोड कर सकते हैं हम. आई टेल यू अबाउट द two varieties. So they say that the bigger the nose, the higher the chances of you being more ambitious. जिनकी नाक लंबी होती है वो ज़्यादा ड्रिवन होते हैं, ज़्यादा करियर ओरिएंटेड होते हैं, ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस होते हैं. और these are the perfectionist people. I mean, they want everything to be really perfect. Just like Virgos, they want everything to be perfect and they finish what they start. They always finish what they start. So these are very driven people. Wherein अगर आपकी नोज छोटी है and पतली है, then you come in the category of somebody who don't really care much about life. You are somebody who believes in flowing with the flow. जिंदगी जैसे चल रही है वैसे चल रही है. And I think it's actually easier to fool people with a shorter nose with short tip. These are very innocent people also. So also the tip of your nose, this part, the tip of your nose tells something about you. So they says that the big and flashy, mine is big and flashy. Yeah. So the nose tip, the bigger and flashier the nose tip is, that means that you are a very good investor and you're gonna make a lot of money in investment in financial years. So because you are somebody who has good sense of business, good sense of making money, and also you are driven, again ambitious, and somebody who loves money. Wherein small pointed nose, जिनकी nose छोटी होती है and छोटी सी small nose होती है, दिखती like it's not very prominent and not very nice looking nose, they are considered to be, they don't really care about money, they're okay in their situation. So yeah. So interestingly, point number 7 is the Dorian Gray effect. The Dorian Gray effect, we are calling it because there is a book on Dorian Gray which is super good. I read it like a couple of months ago. It's there. It's gone. Yeah, it's there. The Dorian Gray. Read it. So the Dorian Gray effect is known as, it means, if I have to explain that, I always say that, your efforts are the mirror. Like, your efforts are a very prominent thing which shows up very clearly on your face. आप जो भी करते हैं वो आपके चेहरे पे दिख रहा होता है. Like, जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंक करते हैं, उनकी स्किन टेक्सचर, उनका चेहरा, the way their under eye looks, it all changes the game. तो आपके हैबिट्स के बारे में, मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं, अगर आप देखेंगे उनके 2012 के पिक्चर्स और उनके देखिए 2015 के पिक्चर्स, within 3 years they look 10 years elder than their age. तो that's how your habits show up on your face. ये एक स्टडी है जहाँ पे आप किसी को देख के ये बता सकते हैं कि ये बंदा या बंदी कितना पार्टी फ्रीक है, how much out of control they go when they get into drugs and they get into drinking habits and all of that. So it simply means whatever you do, it imprints on your face. Some people loves to smoke. आप एक स्मोकर का फेस देखिए और एक नॉन स्मोकर का फेस देखिए, दे बोथ ग्लो डिफरेंटली. नॉन स्मोकर्स, दे यूजुअली देयर स्किन इज डिहाइड्रेटेड and they have acne issues and many issues, like they have wrinkle lines and they age super fast. Smoking is the worst habit to make you look really older and unattractive. Trust me, you realize it years later. So this is one really bad habit. If you are somebody who smokes 5 cigarettes a day, that's really bad. You don't know where you're heading. So okay, so also with this, I'll sum it up saying that we always make a first impression about somebody in first 3 seconds to 7 seconds, 3 से 7 seconds के बीच में जब भी हम किसी को देखते हैं उनके बारे में हम एक impression create कर ही लेते हैं subconsciously. इसीलिए ये मैटर करता है कि आप दिखते कैसे हैं. अलेक्जेंडर नाम के एक साइंटिस्ट ने ये फाइंड आउट किया था कि गुड लुकिंग लोग, नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, आई थिंक आई हैव स्पोक अबाउट इट अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स ऑल्सो. ये आपको सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट लगने वाला है दैट जो गुड लुकिंग लोग होते हैं वो नेचुरली ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव, ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली, जितना वो फ्रेंडली होते भी नहीं है उससे भी ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली माने जाते हैं. एंड दे आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी मोर सक्सेसफुल, मोर केपेबल और मोर इंटेलिजेंट. गुड लुकिंग लोगों के साथ बहुत सारा एडवांटेज होता है. ना सिर्फ ये कि दे आर लाइक प्लीजिंग द आईज, बट पीपल एक्चुअली सबकॉन्शियसली बिलीव कि ये अच्छा दिख रही है या अच्छा दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब ये ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है एंड ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल है, जो कि रियलिटी नहीं होती है एट टाइम्स. anybody can be intelligent and capable, but biased decision को halo effect बोलते हैं. Now this theory is known as halo effect, HALO, halo effect. Please Google it. So yeah, that's why it's important that how you look, people make their first impression. And ऐसा कहा जाता है लोगों को, बहुत सारे बच्चों को especially like the small kids, उनको around 500 पिक्चर्स दिखाई गई लोगों की, अलग अलग तरीके के लोगों की पिक्चर्स दिखाई गई. सम ऑफ देम वर गुड लुकिंग, सम ऑफ देम वर नॉट वेरी ग्रेट लुकिंग पीपल. तो जो गुड लुकिंग लोग थे उनको उनके बारे में जो इम्प्रेशन जमा वो था दे लुक जेन्युइन, दे लुक नाइव एंड दे लुक काइंड. गुड लुकिंग पीपल. नाउ दैट्स द हेलो इफेक्ट इन एक्शन. एंड वेरिन जहाँ पे जो लोग एसिमेट्रिक फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस वाले होते हैं, ऑल्सो व्हाट मेक्स योर फेस अट्रैक्टिव इज सिमेट्री. The reason people go for Botox and fillers is to create a symmetry around your face. मतलब symmetry means the right side of your face should be matching up with the left side of your face. आपका जो right and left है वो एकदम symmetry में होना चाहिए. ऐसे faces सबसे ज़्यादा attractive माने जाते हैं. Beyonce is the example for that. Beyonce, Rihanna, they are absolutely symmetrical. That's why they are so attractive. So attraction यहाँ से आता है. Leonardo DiCaprio, for that matter, Leonardo DiCaprio is absolutely symmetrical, which is why he is extremely attractive. So this is what is called symmetry. Asymmetrical faces are the faces जिनका right side left side से match नहीं होता है, uneven होता है. Like how do I define it? Asymmetrical faces, how do I define it? Ariana Grande, for that matter, she is asymmetrical. Miley Cyrus is asymmetrical, and couple of more. You will see that there is, if you divide the face, this side looks different, this side looks different. So that's called asymmetry, which is not very attractive for anybody. Subconsciously, that's how you make a face look beautiful. So yeah, जो लोग गुड लुकिंग फेसेस नहीं होते हैं, जो एसिमेट्रिकल फेसेस होते हैं, उनको माना जाता है कि दे आर बैड बिहेवियर्स, दे आर पीपल विद बैड बिहेवियर्स एंड दे आर नॉट फ्रेंडली एंड दे आर एंटी सोशल. दे आर नॉट वेरी सोशल पीपल. यू कैन गो एंड टॉक टू देम. वेल, दिस इज व्हाट आई ऑल्सो फील. People who are not that great looking, I have always been really, really scared to go and talk to them, because I feel that okay, maybe he may not be social, he or she may not want to talk. So that's how I have always been scared of such people like those who look very intense and I don't know. Anyway, so guys, this is about you. Just tell me what relates with your facial structure. If you think there's something that I said and resonates with your face and your personality, let me know. Do comment below, and soon I'll be shooting this professionally with all the pictures and examples and subtitles. Till then, good night, take care. I'm gonna sleep. I had a long day. I just recorded a song which I'm very happy about, which I'll be releasing very, very soon. I sang Lela Melela. Lela Melela. I'll share the song. Hi Rinsha! Not sleeping? Are you back to India? Rinsha, hey. Thank you, Mustafa. Hi Vipul. Oh yes, Vipul, thank you. Yes, I think so. My face is symmetrical, and I think I love my brows. My brows are the best part. Brows are nice, like this area I'm blessed with. So yeah, what time is it? I wonder, whenever I say goodbye, I have more people joining in. Where were you guys? अभी तक आप लोग कहाँ थे? I spoke for so long and the topic is really interesting. एक बार ये live end होगा, please watch what I have spoken. So if this interests you, अगर आपको ये सारी बातें अच्छी लगती हैं या if you find it interesting, then get these books for yourself. This is available in Amazon also. What everybody is saying, and then this one, the Definitive Book of Body Language. This is better. This one is nice. Yes, I have been to Indore. My God, I have stayed there for 3 years, my dear. Yash, I've been there for 3 years. Started my MC career from there, and then I came to Bombay. So yeah, I'm very well aware of Indore. I was a student in time classes, yeah, for MBA preparations. Hello, everybody. Hello. Well, I better take the meds. Oh, you just got the notification. How come so late? Oof. How come my face is charming day by day? Honey, because I'm learning makeup. This is what I learned today. Every month, I learn a new thing. Thank you. Every month I learn something new. Makeup has been a part which I really wanted to learn for the longest. So I'm learning it professionally. I'll be a makeup artist too. Bye guys. Good night. Take care. Follow my page. Follow me on my YouTube. I go live from my YouTube as well. That's called Anveshi Jain. If you'll type it, you'll get it there. So many videos you'll find there. Just like this one. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good night.